Hello, and welcome to our instructional video on solving equations. In this video, we will be focusing on how to solve for the variable in the equation 2x plus 6 equals 14. By following these step-by-step instructions, you will be able to successfully isolate the variable x and find its value. So let's get started. To solve for the variable in the equation 2x plus 6 equals 14, we need to isolate the variable x on one side of the equation. Let's start by moving the constant term, which is 6, to the other side of the equation. Currently, our equation is 2x plus 6 equals 14. To move 6 to the other side, we perform the opposite operation of adding 6, which is subtracting 6. So we subtract 6 from both sides of the equation to maintain the equality. Now, the equation becomes 2x plus 6 minus 6 equals 14 minus 6. Simplifying both sides, we have 2x equals 8. This completes step 1, where we have altered the original equation by eliminating the constant term to set up further solving for x. Now that we have simplified the equation to 2x equals 8, we need to isolate the variable x completely. To do this, we must get rid of the coefficient 2 that is currently multiplying x. To get rid of the coefficient 2, we perform the opposite operation of multiplication, which is division. So we divide both sides of the equation by 2 to maintain equality. The left side of our equation is 2x divided by 2, and the right side is 8 divided by 2. Simplifying both sides of this operation, we have x equals 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Therefore, x equals 4. This completes the solving process, and the value of x is found to be 4. To ensure that the operation is correctly applied, we divide both sides of the equation by 2. On the left side, we have 2 times x divided by 2. On the right side, we have 8 divided by 2. When we divide 2 times x by 2, the 2's cancel each other out, leaving us with x. On the right side, when 8 is divided by 2, it simplifies to 4. Now we have x equals 4. This is the final step, and it shows that the value of x is 4. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. And if it did, please drop me a like.